Welcome to our lecture on the Potosi mines, situated in the Bolivian Andes. Discovered in 1545, these mines became the world's largest silver source, significantly impacting the global economy and shaping the Spanish Empire's fortunes. The operation of the mines relied on the Mita, a labor system forcing indigenous people and later African slaves into harsh working conditions. This exploitation led to immense wealth for the empire, but at a great human cost. Our presentation will explore the discovery, operation, and legacy of Potosi, highlighting the interactions between colonizers, indigenous peoples, and slaves, and the environmental impact. Join us to uncover the complex history of Potosi Mines, a symbol of wealth and human endurance. Before exploring the Potosi mines, it's crucial to understand the context of their emergence. Columbus's 1492 voyage marked the New World's opening to European powers. The Spanish conquest rapidly transformed the Americas, culminating in the fall of the Aztec Empire by 1521 and the capture of the Inca Emperor Atahualpa in 1532. These events signaled a shift in power, leading to a turbulent period involving the Spanish crown, conquistadors, the Neo-Incan state, and indigenous groups. This backdrop of conquest and conflict set the stage for the discovery of the Potosi mines, a significant event that would further alter the Americas' socioeconomic landscape. Join us as we delve into this pivotal chapter of history, understanding the forces that shaped the exploitation and impact of Potosi's vast silver reserves. In 1545, Diego Hualpa unearthed Potosi's vast silver, marking an era of unparalleled extraction under Spain's colonial empire. The Mita system coerced indigenous labor into the mines, where they faced grueling conditions to unearth the riches beneath. Miners engineered adits for drainage and utilized both hyra and patio methods for silver refinement, harnessing wind and mercury, the latter sourced from the distant Huancavelica mines. This complex operation not only highlighted the technical ingenuity at play, but also the deep-seated colonial exploitation that intertwined the fates of indigenous peoples, African slaves brought to work the mines, and European settlers. Potosi became a cornerstone of Spain's wealth, fundamentally altering global trade and economies, yet at a profound human and environmental cost. Through this lens, we glimpse the multifaceted impacts of colonialism in the Americas, where the pursuit of precious metals reshaped entire societies. The establishment of the Potosi Mint, the influx of African slaves to sustain labor demands, and the Quinto Real, a tax claiming a fifth of the mine's yield for the Spanish crown, illustrate the economic mechanisms driving colonial wealth extraction. Despite the immense wealth generated, a significant portion of Potosi's silver was funneled to global powers like China and England through trade routes extending from Argentina. This circulation of silver underpinned a burgeoning global economy, underscoring Potosi's pivotal role in linking the Americas to the broader world economy. The city's influence stretched far beyond its geographical confines, affecting international trade patterns and financial systems, and demonstrating the global impact of its silver production amidst colonial exploitation. Potosi, standing over 13,200 feet high, ranks among the world's highest cities. Its zenith spanned from the mid-16th to the late 18th centuries, facing a notable decline in 1712. After 1900, tin replaced silver as the mining focus, showcasing the region's diverse volcanic geology. The mining success was a blend of indigenous labor, Spanish technological advancements like mercury amalgamation, and the introduction of German-style mills. This rich tapestry of cultural and technological exchange propelled Potosi to the forefront of global mining innovation, reflecting the dynamic interplay between indigenous knowledge and European technological imports in the exploitation and development of the New World's resources. Bartolomé de Medina's introduction of the patio process, combined with the exploitation of the Mita labor system, were crucial to Potosi's operations. In 1572, Viceroy Francisco de Toledo's reforms widened the labor pool and improved infrastructure, significantly enhancing the mine's output. These changes, however, illuminated the steep human and environmental tolls of colonial mining practices. Toledo's policies not only intensified the exploitation of indigenous labor, but also led to extensive environmental degradation, highlighting the profound impact of colonial ambitions on both the land and its people. This era in Potosi's history underscores the complexities of colonial resource extraction, reflecting on its long-term consequences for the region's social and ecological landscapes. Technological advancements in refining, spearheaded by figures like priest Alvaro Alonso Barba, alongside the global circulation of Potosi's silver, underscore the mine's profound technological and economic contributions. Barba's methods, which improved silver extraction efficiency, marked a significant leap forward. Yet even with such innovations, traditional mining and refining techniques persisted well into the 19th century, highlighting the enduring influence of colonial methods. This juxtaposition of old and new encapsulates Potosi's complex legacy, reflecting both its role as a catalyst for global economic shifts and a repository of enduring colonial practices. The mine story is one of remarkable technological strides, entwined with the lasting impacts of its historical exploitation. The impact of Potosi's mines extended through every layer of society, reshaping social structures from the Yanaconas, permanent servants, and the encomienda system to the advent of wage labor. The introduction of these systems marked significant shifts in indigenous ways of life, particularly for the Quechua and Aymara peoples, as they navigated the impositions of European colonial order. Despite this, the enduring beliefs in figures like El Tío, the protector of miners, and Pachamama, the Andean Earth Mother, signal a rich cultural synthesis and a form of resistance. These beliefs represent the blending of indigenous and European influences, reflecting the resilience of native traditions amidst profound societal changes. This cultural interplay underscores the deep and complex legacy of the mines, evidencing not just an economic or technological impact, but a profound alteration of the social and spiritual landscape. Potosi's silver reshaped global trade, driving economies from Europe to China and beyond. The wealth generated was rooted in the exploitation of labor, drawing on both indigenous and African workers, marking a dark foundation for this economic boon. This exploitation had lasting effects, influencing social structures and economies on both a local and global scale, and highlighting the intertwined fates of diverse communities in the wake of colonial ambitions. The legacy of Potosi is a testament to the profound global impact of its silver, underscoring the complex interplay between wealth, labor, and exploitation in shaping the modern world. The legacy of the Potosi mines resonates through Peru, Bolivia, and Argentina, nations now confronting the historical and environmental aftermath of centuries of mining. These countries face challenges in reconciling the immense economic contributions of the mines with their profound social and ecological impacts. The story of Potosi is a reminder of the lasting influence of colonial exploitation on the landscapes and communities of South America, underscoring the need for addressing these enduring legacies in the pursuit of sustainable development and historical reconciliation. In conclusion, the Potosi mines illuminate the multifaceted nature of colonial exploitation, technological progress, and the far-reaching influence of New World silver. This history, rich with innovation and marked by profound societal impacts, underscores the lasting repercussions of colonial practices on global societies, economies, and cultures. Reflecting on Potosi's legacy offers invaluable insights into the complexities of our shared past and its continuing effects on the present and future.